What's up, guys? I made it. This is Oxides Del Sol White 95 SI. It's pretty fucking clean, actually, but it's not working, so we're gonna figure out what's wrong with it. He's gonna try and turn it on, and we'll see what happens. We think it's the fuel pump. I don't know. That's what we're gonna do today. Yeah, fuck, that's weird.
No fuel pump.
Alright, so we're gonna do the fuel pump. We'll fucking see if we can get it in here or not. Alright, guys. Guys, always gotta remember to unplug your battery before you do anything. So we're unplugging the battery here. And then we'll get to it. Did you just get these at Advanced Auto Parts? Or where'd you get them?
I ordered these from AutoZone CarQuest.
AutoZone CarQuest. We should have hit up Chris Fix. Chris Fix, can you send us a fuel pump, bro?
Shots out for a fuel pump.
I think we're also going to do some other things today, though. We got a whole box full of goodies here. But it doesn't really matter until we get the car started. Let's get the car started first. I bet you this has never been undone.
Oh, no. There's no way.
Oh, good lord.
Ooh.
That is caked.
Oh, man.
Gonna have to clean that bitch first.
Yeah.
Good lord. So now we gotta get this fuel filter out. Just because while we're doing all this stuff, we're gonna put the new one in. Just make sure everything's all nice and ready to go for when we turn this. And we've got the one bolt off there, up top. Oh yeah.
Well, she's on there.
Sure she is.
Nope, yep, I am gonna have to take it out.
There she is.
Hey, what's up, everybody? Chris from OldSols here. Just bringing you an update. I finally got my car running. Feels so good to have it back, and I'm going to give you a little taste of what all I did. So, I checked all the fuses in here. I checked all the fuses in the glove box. Well, in the floor well area. Checked all the spark plug wires. Checked all the spark plugs. Checked the starter. Changed the fuel filter, change the fuel pump, change the main relay, and still nothing. I checked all of the grounds. I checked to make sure I was getting power to the fuel pump. I was not. And it turned out to be the ECU. Right down there. It's pretty dark, otherwise I'd show you, but it looks like an ECU. But yeah. Anyways, so the ECU I got is chipped. It is from advancedignition.com. They do have an eBay store. You can buy it. It's $180. Shipped fast. Ordered it on a Wednesday and it was here on Saturday. Can't ask for anything better than that. Anyways, guys, if you're having trouble and you've checked everything else, Maybe give the ECU a shot.